We haven't checked out the vocal. If I click on vocal,
oh, you know I've been a good man since you left me. I'm every woman and every bit of her, but on my worst nights, it's hard to be the one who makes it stop.
that's what I'm talking about with the lyrics. They really just don't make any sense. Here's the other version.
You can try to enrich the music
With a vocal choice.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but
And it gave me this.
I got an idea how to make this go down easy. But you don't want to hear me spout my poetry. 'Cause I just wanna take you home and I'd be in no hurry. But you say you're fine by yourself, good luck with that, honey.